In this video, I'll show you how to screen record on your iPhone. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. At first, what you need to do, you need to head over to your iPhone settings, right? Click on this. I would scroll down gradually. I would click on this control center. Once I've clicked on this control center, you'll be displayed with some control options, right? Any control option you add up from this control center will be automatically displayed once you swipe down your iPhone screen, right? So I've been able to add this screen recording control option, right? That is why I can screen record this my iPhone at the moment. So if you add up other control settings from here, you'll be given a quick access to these control applications, right? Once I scroll down my iPhone, you'd see there are lots of control options from this, right? So this is how you can basically screen record on your iPhone. What you need to do first, you need to add up the screen recording control option from this control center on your iPhone settings, right? Once you have done that, you can swipe this up and click on this. Once you have clicked on this, you would be displayed with the option that would let you click the start recording, right? I'm recording this video currently because I won't love to pause this video, or I won't love to stop this video. That is why once I click on this, you would be displayed with some options. So this is how basically you can screen record on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Ask me questions if you got any questions. I'll see you guys in the next one.